I love changing the typical stereotype ranch owner. This job is not glamorous, it's not pretty, it's extremely hard, but the love for it just overrides all that. I tow and haul out several times a week. The trailers weigh a lot on their own, so the horses weigh about 1,000, 1,200 pounds on an average, so you just do the math, and you've got to have something that's gonna have the power. They ride like a car where you've got the comfort, and yet you could haul the world behind you. Just makes life easier around a ranch. I mean, I can't tell you how much we use it for everything. A truck is a must. There's no wants or whatever, it's a need, it's a must, it's a gotta have. And it's fun too. You want a reliable truck, something that's dependable, strong. It would be a nightmare to be stranded on a freeway with horses in tow. There's nothing worse than a horse panicking. Owning a truck is independence. We couldn't do without it. We'd be totally lost. We couldn't even move a bale of hay, you know? That's a workhorse in itself.